Good morning, students. We explain objective questions which are related to ionic radius. The first question was asked Japmer in 1999. The question asked the smallest among the following ions is. Question asked the smallest among the following ions is. Option A is sodium ion, option B is magnesium ion, option C is barium ion, and option D is aluminum ion. We know a formula which is Z by E. First of all, we calculate Z upon E, value of sodium ion. What is Z and what is E? Z is effective atomic nuclear charge. E is number of electron. This formula indicates per electron effective nuclear charge. Z upon E is called per electron effective nuclear charge. So first of all we calculate the value of Z by E of sodium ion. Here we write sodium ion. We know that atomic number of sodium is 11. Here we write 11. 11 is the value of Z which indicate effective nuclear charge. Here the value of Z is 11. The value of E is 10. This one positive charge indicate one electron remove in the sodium ion. So the value of electron in sodium ion is 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. We divide 11 by 10, we get 11.1. 1.1 indicate the value of Z upon E which is per electron effective nuclear charge. The per electron effective nuclear charge of sodium ion is 1.1. Now we calculate the value of Z upon E of magnesium ion. Here we write Mg2 positive charge. We know that the atomic number of magnesium is 12. 12 is the effective nuclear charge of magnesium. Here we write 12. This indicates the value of Z. Now we calculate the value of E in magnesium ion. Here 12, here 2 positive charge. This indicates 2 electron removed in magnesium atom and converted into magnesium ion. Therefore, the value of E is equal to 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. We divide 12 by 10, we get 1.2. The per electron effective nuclear charge of magnesium ion is 1.2. Now we write Ba2 positive charge. We know that barium is a second period as 6 period atom. Therefore, the ionic radius of barium is very big in the option, but we discover the smallest ion. It is biggest ions in the options. Now we write here aluminum ion. Atomic number of aluminum is 30. Here we write 13. The value of Z in aluminum ion is 13. The number of electron in aluminum ion is equal to 10. We get 10. 13 minus 3 is equal to 10. We divide and get 1.3. 1.3 is per electron effective nuclear charge. The nuclear charge is greater. The size of ion is smaller. In the example, we see per electron nuclear charge of aluminum ion is greater. Therefore, size of aluminum ion is small. Option D is correct, which indicate aluminum ion is very small in the option. Now we write question second. Second question was asked in Rajasthan pre-medical test in 1997. Question is, which is smallest in size? Question is, which is smallest in size? Option A is oxide ion, carbide ion, fluoride ion and nitride ion. We also call oxygen ion, carbon ion, fluorine ion and nitrogen ion. First of all, we calculate the value of Z upon E, which indicate per electron effective nuclear charge. Here we write Z upon E. We calculate the value of Z upon E in first option. First option is O, 2 negative charge. First of all, we calculate atomic number of oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Here we write 8. 8 indicate the value of Z. Here we write 8. Now we calculate the value of E in oxide ion. 2 negative charge indicate oxygen atom accept 2 electron and converted into oxide ion. The number of electron in oxide ion 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Now we divide 8 by 10, we get 0.8, which indicate the value of Z upon V called per electron effective nuclear charge. Now we calculate Z upon E value of C for negative charge. Here we write atomic number of carbon, which is 6. 6 is the value of Z. Here we write 6. Here we write the value of E in carbon. 6 plus 4, we get 10. We divide 6 by 10, we get 0.6. Now we calculate Z by E value of fluoride ion. First of all, here we write atomic number of fluorine, which is 9. This 9 indicate the value of Z. Here we write 9. We add 9 and 1, we get 10. 10 is the value of electron in fluoride ion. Now we divide 9 by 10, we get 0.9. It is the value of Z upon E. Option D is nitride ion. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Here we write 7. This 7 is the value of Z, which indicate effective nuclear charge. Here we write 7. 7 in 7 we add 3 and get 10. The value of Z upon E is equal to 0.7. We explain Z upon E value of all options. The value of Z upon E is greater of 0.9. We know that the value of Z upon E is greater, size of ion or ionic radius is smaller. Question asks, which is smallest in size? We see the value of Z upon E is greater. The value of Z upon E is greater of fluoride ion, which is 0.9. Therefore, the size of fluoride ion is smallest. Option C is correct. Question third was asked of MPPMT in 1995 2003 and JAPMER Medical 2002. Question asked, which of the following has largest size? Option A is aluminum. Option B is aluminum 1 positive charge. Option C is aluminum 2 positive charge. And option D is aluminum 3 positive charge, which are called aluminum ion. We know that if symbol of atom is same, if symbol of atom is same, then increase positive charge and decrease ionic radius or size of ion. If in case of cations, positive charge increase ionic radius or size of cation decrease. In the question, which of the following has largest size? Aluminium atom has no charge. Aluminium ion has one positive charge. Therefore, the size of aluminium is greater than aluminium 1 positive charge. The size of aluminium 2 positive charge is less than aluminium 1 positive charge, and the size of aluminium 3 positive charge is smaller than aluminium 2 positive charge. In the question, which of the following has the largest size? Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Now we explain in cationic species, positive charge increase, ionic radius और size of cation decrease. In case of aluminium and aluminium ions, aluminium atom has no positive charge. Option B, aluminium ion has one positive charge, and aluminium ion, option C, has two positive charge, and option D, aluminium ion has three positive charge. The size of aluminium ion 3 positive charge is very small due to greater positive charge. In the option, aluminium atom has no positive charge, therefore the size of aluminium atom is biggest in the option. Question 4 was asked of BHU in 1999 and EAMCET 1997. Question is, of the following the one with largest size is? Option A is chloride ion, option B is argon, option C is potassium ion, and option D is calcium ion. First of all, we calculate Z upon E value all the option. Option first is chloride ion. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Here we write 17. It is a value of Z. Here we write 17. The value of E right here. The value of E is 18. 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. We divide 17 in 18. We get 17 divided by 18, we get 0.94. This indicates the value of per electron effective nuclear charge. Now here we write argon. Atomic number of argon is 18. This value is Z and this value is E. We divide 18 by 18, we get 1. Now potassium ion. The atomic number of potassium is 19. This value is Z, and we write here 18. We subtract 19 minus 1 due to one positive charge, and we get 18. Here we write 19. We divide 19 in 18. We get 1.05. Here we write calcium ion. The atomic number of calcium is 20. The value of Z in calcium is 20. And we subtract 20 minus 2, we get 18. Now we divide 20 by 18 is equal to 1.11. These are per electron effective nuclear charge. The value of Z upon E is less, the size is biggest. The value of Z upon E is small, the size or atomic radius of ion is biggest or largest or weak. We see that the value of Z upon E is very small in the option 0.94. Therefore, the size of chloride ion is biggest or largest in the option. Therefore, option A is correct.